Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to update Discord quickly and easily. If your Discord is not updating automatically or you think you are using an old version, follow these steps. First, if you are using Discord on PC, simply close Discord completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Right-click the Discord icon on the taskbar and click Quit. Now open Discord again from your desktop or Start menu. When Discord starts, it automatically checks for updates. If an update is available, it will download and install it before opening. If it does not update, press Ctrl+R on your keyboard while Discord is open. This refreshes Discord and forces it to check for updates again. Next, if you are using Discord in a browser, there is nothing to update. Just refresh the page and you are always on the latest version. And that is how you can easily update Discord on PC browser. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.